everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to see blocked account on WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open WhatsApp. Now click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner. Tap on Settings option. Here you can see the privacy option. Click on it. Scroll down the screen and here you can see the blocked contacts option. Tap on it. And that is how you can see blocked accounts on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.